Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel, and if you have not been here before, then welcome. Today we're doing a hair review. I've got this hair sent from Leeven Hair Company, and shout out to Lassie for hitting me up on Instagram. She was really helpful throughout the whole process. It was really sweet, so thank you so much. So she sent me 6 packs of hair, and also she went ahead and included this crochet needle and some hair accessories. They weren't in a particular bag or anything. They were just kind of laying in the bottom. Here we are again. Of course my hair is different, of course. Are y'all really surprised? It's been about 3-4 days since I did this style, so this is an actual review. It's gonna be realistic, so this is honestly how I sleep with it. I just wrap it because it's so long. I did combine the 2 18-inch packs to make it 36 inches. It's all of that. Oh. I'm gonna just get a close up for y'all. There are places where my lock actually pops out. It doesn't help that my hair is like, okay, so I dyed my hair and then this hair came in and I realized that I dyed my hair the wrong color. Or I should have gotten black in these locks, but can easily like rewrap them, like that's no problem. So if you're doing this on free hair that's not locked, I would just suggest making your the braids underneath smaller so that they actually fit inside of here when you wrap it. Or you can actually take some of the remaining pack hair that you have and wrap it around the roots so they don't show. This thought took me like video took me about 6 or 7 hours total. Like I split that up between 2 days, and by the time I got done with my hair, I did not care about wrapping my roots like whatsoever. I might do that later. If I do, I'll record it and show y'all what that's like, but right now I'm cooling. The only other complaint I can really have about this hair is how long it is, which was actually an option. I did not have to make my hair this long. You don't have to make your hair this long. If you are going to extend your locks, disclaimer, you're not gonna be able to do anything regular anymore. Even when I get in the car, I have to oh my gosh. If I'm sleeping, this is the one that kills me off. I'm sleeping and I want to turn over. You see the problem? So if I want to turn over, I actually have to like wake up out my sleep, take my hair, flip it to the other side, and then turn over and proceed to go to sleep. Like, it's like that. They go past my booty. If I'm doing extensions, I need them to be long. You already know I like my hair to touch my booty, so can't even get it all in frame. I just can't. I wake up, take it out the bun, look for any pieces that look crazy, and then take this same stuff that I use to lay my edges or to smooth my roots. I don't always lay my edges, but sometimes I do. If I do, it's something real light. I'll be honest, sometimes I wear a scarf to bed and sometimes I don't. But if I'm sleeping and I get hot, I'm gonna take it off. And that's just a fact. We're doing a little bit of The little swoops. I just love these. It's such a vibe. Really, really enjoyed this style, and thank you so much.
Yeah, because I needed it. Because look at my hair before. I'm just kidding. But this is the part that I'm going to show you how I doubled the length of the lock extensions. So if you haven't seen my last video, I'm actually hanging the hair from its loop onto my plant hanger that I made. Check that video out as well so you'll know what I'm talking about. After I hang it up, I just open up a whole new pack, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach the top of the new lock onto the bottom of this one. All I'm doing is splitting the lock at the bottom in half. After I have that split, I'll take this new lock that I opened from the new pack and just open the loop up here, and I'm just going to attach this loop in between those two pieces at the bottom, and it should look something like this. I take the two pieces and I tie them in 2 knots. So I knotted it once and then I knotted it again. And to make sure that they are secure, I did pull both ends at the top and the bottom to make sure the knot wasn't going anywhere. And to finish that up, I did wrap the ends of the knot that we just tied around the lock, and also finished it with a palm roll just so that it would come together seamlessly. This is the part where I start installing. I just left the last 4. I tried to focus on doing really clean parts in the front. So I take this here, this is the Tropical Roots Firm Locking Gel. Started using this recently, and I apply this to my roots so I can twist them and kind of clean them up. And I'll do one pass with my crochet needle because I do interlock my hair anyways. I just wanted it to be tied at the root for this style. And I'm just using the same technique to attach it on. So I'm crocheting it underneath, putting the loop onto the crochet needle and pulling it through, and then pulling the end of the lock through the loop, which you'll see here. Instead of taking my hair and feeding it through the faux lock, I'm actually going to unravel the faux lock just a little bit and wrap it around my hair. And I keep on wrapping until I reach the end of my hair, and I'll still keep on wrapping, and then I'll secure it with a palm roll, just like when I extended the locks. And finally, I'm finished. These were the results directly after.